Good morning. Today I am going to discuss about section 528 of BNSS. 528 of BNSS. This related to 482 cr.p.c. old one. So the what 588 says that saving inherent powers of High Court. Nothing in this Sanhita shall be deemed to limit or affect the inherent power of the High Court to make such orders as may be necessary to give effect to any order under this Sanhita or to prevent abuse of process of any court or otherwise to secure the ends of justice, just reproduction of 482 CR. So number one, first part of the 528 was that you should inherent power. Second part, prevent the abuses of process. Number third, to secure the ends of justice. To secure the ends of justice may be extended to law of equity, because sometimes even though you fail to approach properly in time, latches, not able to pay fine, but by considering your explanation of ill health or state of affairs, the court may consider to allow you to pay the amount or reduce the amount or reduce or modify the conditions imposed. So many things that is coming under to secure the ends of justice. Abuse of process of court means the courts taking file illegally without any material prima facie. This is a negative power. Courts take an action and High Court interfere with that judicial action because there may be want of jurisdiction and there may be no material to pass such orders. Then the first part is most important to understand. Was that the court can inherit power. That means you file an application for recalling warrant and the court is not inclined to recall the warrant. Then the High Court as head, just like a father inheriting son's power, they will inherit that power and pass just like a magistrate having power. The High Court will exercise that power and pass. So this 588 must be read and understood by three parts. This is judgment AR 2025 Supreme Court 4550. AR 2025 Supreme Court 4550. Surendra Kawase versus State of Madhya Pradesh. A lady seems to have sexual relationship, and thereafter what had happened, there was a promise for marriage, but however he was not kept his promise. Therefore after quite some time, when this lady was transferred or relieved from her employment, thereafter she filed an FIR. Therefore the Supreme Court, by setting aside the judgment passed by the High Court rejecting to quash the FIR, the High Court said this is nothing but an afterthought and used vehicle for vengeance. Therefore FIR and charge sheet was quashed. So keep this judgment file and record and try to understand 528 cr.p.c. BNSS. Best wishes.